Now students, let us see how can we convert a bigger unit into smaller unit and how can we convert smaller units into bigger unit. If we convert bigger unit into smaller, then we need to multiply, and when we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, then we need to divide. बट बाय विच नंबर, किस नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करें बेटा? टू नो दिस वी नीड टू नो द रिलेशन बिटवीन दीज यूनिट्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन किलोलीटर एंड लीटर. Here we have kiloliter and here we have liter. So right here 1 kiloliter is equal to how many liters? Okay, beta here from kiloliter to liter, here we have 3 units. Okay, so for kiloliter we have to write 1 and for these 3 units we have to write 3 zeros. Okay, so 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Now let us see what is the relation between liter and centiliter. Okay, 1 liter is equal to how many centiliter? Here beta we can see after liter we have 2 units. Okay, to centiliter, from liter to centiliter, here we have 2 units. So for liter we have to write 1 and for deciliter we have to write 1 0 and for centiliter we have to write 1 more 0. So 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter. Now let us see relation between deciliter and milliliter. Okay, deciliter, 1 deciliter is equal to how many milliliter? After deciliter we have only 2 units. Okay, so for deciliter we have to write 1 and for these 2 units we have to write 2 zeros. So 1 deciliter is equal to 100 milliliter. And beta if we want to convert kiloliter into liter, then we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, and if we convert liter into kiloliter, then we need to divide. If we convert kiloliter into liter, then we have to multiply by 1000, and if we convert liter into kiloliter, then we need to divide by 1000. Okay, and here if we convert liter into centiliter, then we have to multiply by 100 because liter is bigger unit and centiliter is smaller unit. Okay, when we convert bigger unit into smaller unit, then we have to multiply, and when we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, then we need to divide. Okay, and here 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter is written. Okay, so when we convert centiliter into liter, then we have to divide by 100, and here deciliter is bigger unit and milliliter is smaller unit. When we convert deciliter into milliliter, then we need to multiply by 100, and when we convert milliliter into deciliter, then we need to divide by 100. Now students, let us take one example. Here we have to convert 75 liter into milliliter. Okay, here we have 2 units, liter, milliliter. So write here liter and milliliter. And beta here I have written all units. Okay, and here we can see here liter and here milliliter. So liter is greater than milliliter. Liter is bigger unit and milliliter is smaller unit. Okay, and here we have to convert liter into milliliter, liter into milliliter. So we have to multiply. Okay, we have to multiply. but by which number beta? Okay, now let us write relation between liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? After liter we have 1, 2, 3, 3 units. Okay, so here for liter we have to write 1, and for these 3 units we have to write 3 zeros. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay, now we know when we convert liter into milliliter, then we need to multiply, and by which number? By 1000. Okay, so here we have to write 75 liter as it is, and now 75 multiplied with 1000, and when we multiply 75 with 1000 we get 75,000 milliliters. Now let us take one more example. Here we have to convert 5.4 liter into milliliter. So here also beta we have two units, liter and milliliter. Liter is bigger unit and milliliter is smaller unit. And here also we have to convert liter into milliliter. Means we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit. So we need to multiply. And what is the relation between liter and milliliter? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we have to multiply liter. Okay, this 5.4 liter with 1000. So write here 5.4 liter as it is, and now we have to convert this with 1000. Okay, and we know beta, you know very well that when we multiply a decimal number with 1000, then we shift the decimal point 3 digits to the right side. Okay, so here we have only 1 digit, so our decimal point will come after. कहाँ आएगा देखो, here 4, this decimal point कहाँ आएगा after 3 digit, means here we have 4, so here we need to write 2 zeros. Okay, now here after 4 2 zeros are there. Okay, 1 2 3, means our decimal point will shift after this 0. Okay, so here we can put point. ठीक है, and here after this decimal point we don't have any digits, so here we can write zeros, but we know beta there is no value of zeros after this decimal point, so we can cut also. Okay, means we can write only 5400, means 5400 milliliters is the answer. Now let us take one more example. Here we have to convert 2 and 1/5 liter into milliliter. Okay, here also we have these two units, liter and milliliter. Liter is bigger unit, milliliter is smaller unit. Okay, and we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, so we need to multiply, and by which number? We know what is the relation between liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so now beta we have to write 2 and 1/5 liter as it is, and now we have to convert this liter into milliliter. Okay, so now we have to multiply this with 1000, but here beta 2 and 1/5 liter, here 2 and 1/5 is a mixed fraction. Okay, so first of all we need to convert this into improper fraction, and you know how can we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? Let us see. 2 and 1/5, we have to multiply 2 with 5. 2 5 jar 2 multiplied with 5, 2 5 jar 10, and now we have to add this numerator. Okay, we have to multiply this and this 2 with 5, and then we have to add this numerator, and as a denominator we have to write this denominator. Okay, So now 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 by 5. 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. Okay. So here we have to write 11 by 5 liter. Now we have to convert this into milliliter. So we need to multiply this with 1000. Okay. Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So now beta here we can see 1005. Both are divisible by 5. So we can cancel this with 5 and this also. 5 1 jar 5 and here 5 2 jar 10, 5 0 jar 5 0 jar. Means when we divide 1000 by 5 then we get 200. Now we have 11 and 200 as a numerator. So now we have to multiply 11 with 200. And when we multiply 11 with 200 we get 2200 milliliters. Now let us see one more example. Here we have to convert 2965 milliliter into liter. Okay. So here also beta we have these two units. Okay. Liter and milliliter. Liter is bigger unit and milliliter is smaller unit. But here we have to convert milliliter into liter, means smaller unit into bigger unit. And when we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, then we need to divide. Okay. Here we need to divide. But by which number? We know what is the relation between liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay. So we need to divide by 1000. Okay. So here first of all, we have to write 2965 milliliters as it is, and now we have to divide this by 1000, and we can write this like this also by 1000. Okay. Now beta here we can see 2965 by 1000 is a fraction. Okay. With denominator 1000, and now we can convert this fraction into decimal number very easily. Here we have 3 zeros. Okay. So how can we convert this fraction into decimal? We have to leave 3 digits. We have to leave 3 digits from right side, and then we have put the point. Here we have put the point, but don't here beta. We have to write here this numerator, and then we have put the point. Okay. So now 1 2 3, these 3 digits we have to leave, and then we have put the point. So 2.965 liter is the answer. And you can read this 2 liter and 965 milliliter also. Okay. You can read this also. ठीक है, और 2.965 लीटर्स.